Hello everyone, today we are going to explore the Catalogue of Life. The Catalogue of Life is an online database that provides information on all the known species of organisms on Earth. Let's dive in and see what we can discover. As you can see, the Catalogue of Life has a simple and user-friendly interface. You can search for a particular species using the search bar top, or you can browse through the different categories of organisms using the navigation bar on the left. Let's start by searching for a lion. Here we go. We can see the Atlas lion, Barbary lion, black-faced lion, and also lion is the different here. You can see. Then you can see here the stellar sea lion, sportfish lion, and here you can see the South Africa Cape lion. The page for the African lion provides a wealth of information, includes its taxonomy, classification, physical description, distribution, habitat, and conservation status. And also here you can see the kingdom, the phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. You can see in the Catalogue of Life. I'm gonna show you this. We can try with the ChatGPT. If I say lion Catalogue of Life, press enter, then here we can see the lion Panthera leo is the largest carnivorous mammals belonging to the Felidae family. The following is a brief overview of the lion taxonomic classification according to the Catalogue of Life, like kingdom, Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, family Felidae, genus Panthera, and species Panthera leo. There are two recognized subspecies of the lion, like Panthera leo. It's called the African lion, and the next one Panthera leo persica, it's called the Asiatic lion. It is worth nothing that some research recognize additional subspecies, but their taxonomy status is disputed. The lion has been listed as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss, human welfare, wildlife conflict, and posing for their bones, skins, and other bone parts. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the lion and their habitat. Here we can see that the African lion is listed as vulnerable species with a decreasing population trend. These are due to habitat loss, predependation, and conflict with humans. It's really interesting to see how to Catalogue of Lives provide such as a comparison views of each species, including not just its basic information but also its evolutionary history, ecology, and conservation status. Let's take a look at another category. How about bird? The Catalogue of Life has information on over 10,000 species of birds, including their taxonomy, distribution, and ecological relationship. Wow, this is amazing. Did you know that there are over 300 species of the parrot alone, and that same species of penguin can divide the depth of over 500 feet? The dictionary of life on Earth never ceases to amaze me. Let's try with same thing into the GPT. The Catalogue of Life is an online database that provides a comprehensive and authoritative list of all known species of living organisms. It's maintained by the Species 2000 and ITIS Catalogue of Life Partnership and is constantly updated. New species are discovered or taxonomy changes are made. Here, within the Catalogue of Life, birds are classified as a class called Aves, which include all of the world's bird species of the cut-off date of my knowledge, September 2021. The Catalogue of Life listed over 11,000 species of birds, ranging from 1080 hummingbird to massive flightless ostrich. However, it's important to note the taxonomy change and new discovered mean that this number is always subject to change. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you enjoy exploring the Catalogue of Life with me. Remember, the more we learn about the species that share our planet, the better equipped we are to protect and conserve them too. For watching, we are to protect and conserve them. Thank you for watching.